Hello, what's new? My name is Mike. Word family. An. Short O sound. A, a, an. An is a word. An is a word. An. I write on the whiteboard. On. On. Can. D. On. Dan. J. On. John. Capital J, uppercase J. John is a boy's name or a man's name. John or John. Sound is the same. H, sh, silent. John. Capital J, proper noun, it's a name. R, on, Ron. Capital R, uppercase R. Ron is a boy's or man's name too. Proper noun, capital R, Ron. One more time. On. Con. Don. John. Ron. Very good. I'll see you next time.